Hey, Paul, how are you today?
Hello, Emily. I'm great. Excited for today's lesson.
Me too. I hope everyone watching is having a great day.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Today we have something super exciting.
Yes, we are going to learn English for traveling abroad.
Traveling is fun, but sometimes English at airports, hotels, or taxis can be tricky.
Don't worry. We will show you simple words, fun expressions, and easy dialogue.
By the end of this video, you will speak English like a confident traveler.
And we will teach important words like passport, ticket, boarding, map, and exit, plus handy expressions for real-life situations.
So grab your passport, smile, and let's start our travel adventure.
Scene 1. At the airport.
Wow, Paul, look at all these people. Airports are huge.
But don't worry. Let's check in first.
Right. I need my passport and ticket.
Good. Repeat after me. Passport, passport, passport.
Passport. Got it. And ticket?
Yes. Ticket. A ticket is what you need to board the plane. Repeat ticket.
Ticket, ticket, ticket.
Scene. At the check-in counter.
Hello. I have a flight to London. Here is my passport and ticket.
Airline staff. Thank you, Emily. May I see your boarding pass?
Emily, a boarding pass is a paper or digital pass that lets you enter the plane.
Boarding pass. Boarding pass. Got it.
Perfect. Always keep your passport, ticket, and boarding pass safe.
Good tip. Oh, and don't forget the exit signs.
Paul, yes. The exit signs show where to leave or find emergency exits.
Scene. Emily looking confused at the airport map.
Paul, this airport is huge. I'm lost.
Don't worry, look at the map. Airports usually have maps near the entrances.
Map. Oh, yes, map. It shows where everything is. Check-in, gates, exit, toilets.
Exactly. Using a map is smart.
Paul, quick question. What if I miss my flight?
Don't panic. Ask, excuse me, is this the gate for flight number 102?
Repeat after me. Excuse me, is this the gate for flight number 102?
Perfect.
Scene. Emily and Paul walking towards the airplane gate.
Look, Paul, boarding starts. What does boarding mean?
Good question. Boarding means getting on the plane. Boarding, boarding, boarding.
Got it. And I must show my boarding pass again, right?
Exactly. Show it and then find your seat.
Oh no, my boarding pass.
Don't worry, just pick it up. Always keep it safe, Em.
I will. I learned my lesson. Boarding pass is very important.
Scene 3. At the hotel.
I love hotels.
Me too. First, we need a passport for registration.
Right. Hello, I have a reservation. Here is my passport.
Hotel staff. Thank you. Can I have a ticket for your stay?
Huh. What ticket?
Paul, don't worry. Sometimes hotels call a reservation confirmation a ticket.
Oh, like my booking confirm. Paul, look, our key looks like a tiny ticket.
True. Hotels still use paper tickets or cards.
Life tip. Always keep your hotel ticket or key in your pocket. Excuse me, where is the exit?
Hotel staff. Go straight, then turn left. You'll see the exit sign.
Remember, exit signs are everywhere. Very important in emergency.
Scene. Emily and Paul waiting for a taxi outside the hotel.
Paul, how do we ask the driver to go to the city centre?
Easy. Say, hello, can you take us to the city center, please?
Repeat after me. Hello, can you take us to the city centre, please?
Perfect. Also ask politely, how much is the fare?
Fare? Oh, that means price. Got it.
Yes. Taxi tip. Always check the price before you go.
Paul, where are we? I don't understand the map.
Don't worry. Taxi drivers know the way. But it's always good to show a map or Google Map.
Okay. Map. 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 I will remember.
Great. Always use a map in a new city. Very helpful.
Wow, Paul. Today we learned so many words for traveling abroad.
Yes. Let's review. Repeat after me. Passport, ticket, boarding, map, exit.
Remember, these 5 words will help you travel safely and confidently.
And don't forget the phrases, excuse me, can you help me? How much is the fare?
And the fun tip. Always check your boarding pass, ticket, and passport before traveling. That's it for today's video.
Did you enjoy learning English for traveling abroad?
Emily, write in the comments, which word do you want to practice first?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons.
And hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.
Thanks for watching. Have a safe and fun trip.